Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this week's video. It's a little bit different than what we normally do. I got something metal today. I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Let's go check it out. Let's go put it on. Woo! So this is what I've been waiting for. Some of you guys have been watching know what this is. I am so excited. Been waiting 6 weeks for it. Let's open it up. Let's get this thing open. So excited. Woo! So I don't think they use enough packing peanuts. Find something. Oh, I feel something. Oh yeah. There's a stamp. Another one. This goes down into the intercooler piping. There's a box right there. There's probably a filter. Yeah, there's two of them. Oh, that's heavy. That's probably all the couplers and stuff. You can probably hear I'm watching Tokyo Streamer or Tokyo Drift, and my favorite part's about to be on. That sexy R33. Woo! Yes, one filter. Second filter. It's gonna look really good in the engine bay, that's for sure. Hoses, couplers, a bunch of them, clamps. Extremely helpful instructions. Oh, it's got pictures. Cool. Make it a little easier. They better give me a sticker. Really? No stickers? Come on, GReddy. $1,200 kit. Hey, what's up, guys? We're up here at the auto hobby shop. We're gonna throw this intake kit on. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Let's get on it. All right, so we're inside the hobby shop now. We're gonna let the engine cool down. Pop the hood, get the fan on it. Position the fan on to blow some of this heat off the engine. Let it cool down a little bit before we get started. I figured we might as well start with the hardest upgrade on today's schedule. The Tomei oil cap. It already has a new O-ring on it. Boom. There you go. So much better. So we're going to have to take strut bars, going to have to come off. That pipe from the rear turbo is going to come off. All this stuff. Pexi intakes or HKS intakes have to come off. MAFs, you know, everything in there. I'm letting the car cool off. We'll check out Kevin's Mark II. It has a 1JZ in it. Got KTS coilovers. Got a Blitz and R-Spec exhaust. Actually, the exhaust I wanted to get on my car. Blitz intake. It's a drift car. They're doing some mods to get some more angle. So this thing's super clean to be a drift car, but he says he's careful. Let's see what else they got out here. I saw a GTST. I think I've seen this car before. I think it's been in one of the videos. But check this out. Look at this 8.6. Now this is 11. You can see the headlights are not pop up. Really sexy car. Got this JZX 100. Oh man, I love these cars. Super nice. This is crazy. I know most of you guys haven't seen one of these. This is, I think it's a Daihatsu. They make a Volkswagen conversion kit. And they put this little, it's a front-end conversion that makes it look like an old bus. That is the coolest thing. Over here we have a Mark IV Supra. They've been sitting here for a little while. I'm not sure what they're waiting on. Start by taking that strut bar out. Hey, what's up guys? Back at it, day 2. Almost complete. Got a few more pipes to hook up. Gotta figure out what to do with this vacuum line that nobody has an answer to. But we'll figure it out, we'll get it done. Can't wait, I'm so excited. Alright, so we're done. Time to check it out. Start it up. Hopefully everything runs well. Apparently that vacuum line was unnecessary because I have an aftermarket boost controller, so appreciate it, Josh, for the help. That was awesome. So here we are. All finaled up. Now keep in mind, it is still absolutely filthy. I have to wash everything. Valve covers need to be washed. I gotta polish all the pipes up. But thank goodness. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Gotta put the strut bar back on. After we crank it up, make sure everything's good. All right, here we go. Crank right up. Hopefully that means the all the vacuum lines are good. Let's give it a rev and see if it dies. Sounds good so far. Nice. Really excited, man. I cannot wait to get this thing cleaned up. Woo! Oh, gotta fix my LED, my HID ballast there before I leave. You know what you're gonna run into down here at the hobby shop. This is Lee's JCX 90 Chaser. Got a 1JZ in it, as always, but got working motion wheels. I think it's super clean. He just picked it up. Sporting the 1JZ. Nice big front mount. Oh, the thing looks so good, dude. Mind if we hear it? Mind if we hear it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's check out the exhaust. That sounds good, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna put his Instagram tag down here at the bottom so you can see and check his car out. All right, sounds like everything's running good. That thing is so clean, man. Sounds like everything's running how it should be now. I'm gonna throw the strut bar back on, pack up all the stuff, get home, take a shower, and get out of here, man. Woo! I'm so stoked. This is awesome. Best mod yet. Oh, freaking love it. All right, guys, so we're back at the house. Real quick, I need to take some of my mother's mag polish and polish up these pipes. Probably gonna do the catch can and the strut bar as well. Get ready for Cars and Coffee, which is tomorrow morning. Pretty stoked. That video should be awesome. And let's knock this out. From a distance, it looks really clean, but when you get up close, you can see all the fingerprints and stuff on it. All that's gonna be taken care of. Polished up. Let's get this thing done. Should be a mirror-like finish. All right, all polished up. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the difference is phenomenal. Thanks to Mother's. I tried some other stuff, that one just seems to work the best. But it looks so much better now. Oh, so happy with this upgrade. Probably my favorite one so far. Oh, maybe other than the wheels. I think the wheels are my favorite upgrade, but this intake kit Shout out to GReddy. It was a pain in the butt to install, but it turned out fantastic. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. I know it's a little bit different than what we normally do, but I hope it's still fun and exciting for you. I know I'm super excited. I think it turned out great. I freaking love it. I'll post a picture of what it looked like before and you see the transformation. But tomorrow's Cars and Coffee, you'll see that video soon. Like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time. Wait, swear to God I'm not doing this. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time.